In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zeus Bitcoin app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping on it will bring you to a world of apps and games available for your Android device. This is the starting point for downloading any app, including the Zeus wallet. It is essential to ensure that you are using the official Play Store to avoid any security risks. Once the Play Store is open, you will notice a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you will begin your search for the Zeus Wallet app. From there, search for Zeus Wallet or open the official app page. In the search bar, type Zeus Wallet and hit enter. You will see a list of results appear. Look for the app that has the official logo and is published by the correct developer. This is important because using the official app ensures that you are downloading a safe and secure version. Once you find it, tap on the app icon to go to its dedicated page. Here, you will find a description of the app, user reviews, and additional information. Next up, tap Install. This button is usually green and located near the top of the app page. When you tap it, the app will start downloading and installing automatically. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. It's crucial to be patient during this process. Once the installation is complete, you will see a notification and the Install button will change to Open. Now tap Open. This action will launch the Zeus Wallet app for the first time. You may see some introductory screens that explain the app's features. This is an exciting moment because you are about to enter the world of Bitcoin and Lightning Network payments. The app will guide you through its functionalities, so keep an eye on the prompts. After this, you will need to either create a new wallet or connect to your existing Lightning node. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new wallet or connect to your existing Lightning node. If you're new to Bitcoin, you will likely want to create a new wallet. The app will provide you with steps to set it up securely. This part is crucial because it will establish your unique Bitcoin wallet. If you already have a Lightning node, simply follow the prompts to connect. This flexibility allows you to use the app in a way that suits your needs. At this point, securely back up your recovery phrase if you create a new wallet. The app will generate a recovery phrase that is vital for accessing your wallet if you ever forget your password or lose your device. Write this phrase down in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone, as it gives access to your funds. This step is essential for ensuring that your investments remain secure. Finally, start sending and receiving Bitcoin and Lightning Network payments. You are now ready to use the Zeus Wallet app fully. Explore its features, send your first Bitcoin transaction, and enjoy the benefits of the Lightning Network. This is an exciting step as you can now manage your digital currency efficiently. You will see how seamless transactions can be with the right tools. Enjoy your experience with Zeus Wallet, and remember to stay informed about best practices for cryptocurrency management.